Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo and welcome to this video where we will talk about what is unique about this food design thinking process. So there are quite a few things that I think are unique to this food design thinking process and maybe unique to this design thinking process in general. And we will have 3 videos to go through all of them. In this first video, we will talk about food, meanings, and sustainability. In the second video, we will go through depth and breadth of the process, designing for the experience and system thinking. And in the third video, we will look at how I include empathy in the food design thinking process. And especially empathy, especially the way I treat empathy, is completely unique, and I've never seen anything like that in any other general design thinking or creative process. So stay tuned for the third video for sure. So here are the first 3 things that make this food design thinking process unique and different from anything else that is out there. Being this a food design thinking process, it is so far the first and only food-specific design thinking process available out there. This process focuses on food. It is to be used to design anything food related, but it cannot be used to design products or services that have nothing to do with food. This food specificity is embedded in the food design thinking methods themselves. The process focuses on meanings. It is designed to help food designers design for emotions, values, and meanings. It will help you design propositions that are meaningful to people and to the planet. This is achieved through the food design thinking methods themselves. It is very important for food designers and innovators today to always design focusing on sustainability in all its 3 components: environmental sustainability, social sustainability, and economic sustainability. I will put a link in the description below with a video that is specific on this 3-folded way of looking at sustainability. This food design thinking process makes this a priority. It is designed to always guide you to consider these aspects of sustainability. We will go in depth on each one of these aspects and also use the Sustainable Development Goals as guiding points during the process. Sustainability will be achieved thanks to the food design thinking methods themselves.